Hi! In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can open all typing features available on this device. First of all, you need to go to Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and access System. Following that, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!